Hey, ten were here, only one came back tonight. I come back to Alabama. Thank you. Hey, a 12-year-old boy with a little dream in his heart looked toward tomorrow, not knowing where the road would go. From Lake Cayes, Haiti to Guadeloupe, then Paris, France, across the ocean to America. Oh, when Alabama gives you hope. Thank you. Thank you. When Alabama gives you hope. Thank you. Thank you. Hey. Birmingham, Montgomery, Mobile, Huntsville, Tuscaloosa, Auburn. From the Tennessee River down to Mobile Bay, big cities, little towns, one Alabama family. And if you moved away to another state, across the ocean to another land, close your eyes, remember home, the people, the laughter, the family you love. You may leave Alabama, but Alabama never leaves your heart. If Alabama's in your heart, come sing this song with me. Alabama, thank you. Oh. 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 And in 1986, another door opened, a path for many immigrants to build a future. President Ronald Reagan, thank you.
Alabama sunshine,
hey.
Alabama blue sky,
Haitian drums,
Africa gave me the guitar sound.
Sweet Konpa beat, different languages, different journeys, one human family. Birmingham,
thank you.
Montgomery,
thank you.
Mobile,
thank you.
Tuscaloosa,
thank you.
Auburn,
thank you.
Huntsville,
thank you.
every teacher,
thank you.
every neighbor,
thank you.
every hand that opened the door.
Thank you.
Someone opened the door for me. Now I dream of opening one more. And Alabama knows how to dream that high. From Huntsville, Rocket City, where rockets helped humanity reach toward the moon. May the next great door open for every child, every nation,
All humanity.
and wherever life may take you, another city, another state, another country, remember you may leave
Alabama,
but Alabama never leaves your heart. Alabama, USA,
I love you forever.
Alabama, USA,
I love you forever.
Alabama, USA.
I love you forever.
Every village has a song, every family has a story, every creator deserves to be heard. Share your gift with the world. TimTim.Live. TimTim.Live.